Hello, my name is Eric Gory with EMG Robotics, and this video covers some of the demos that you can do, some of the demos that are available for the Freescale FSLBOT in the Robot Vision Toolkit. You can get more information by going to www.buildsmartrobots.com. So let's go ahead and open up the Robot Vision Toolkit, and let's go ahead and open up the camera. And what I'm going to do is go to Demo 1. So these demos are again available for download from buildsmartrobots.com. So let's go ahead and do the first one. And what the first one's going to do, you gotta go ahead and you gotta turn the power on the robot. There's a switch back here. Let's see, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a switch right here. Go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to run this because the legs are all messed up. There we go. So what that demo is doing is it's just twitching the servos, and then it's providing some accelerometer information. Remember, these are example pieces of code. So the whole point is to demonstrate how to write code to do things with the robot. Okay, so let's go to lab number 2, open lab number 2, and this is going to go ahead and center the servos. It's going ahead and it's doing a calibration. So this is a good lab to demonstrate how to calibrate the accelerometer. And then after the calibration, you're going to see it becomes a LED level. Can you see the, I know it's hard with the eyes are so bright, but can you see the LED here? And as I move, the LED sort of shows the force of the vector of the, or the direction of the force of gravity. And if I go too far,
I've fallen and I can't get up.
It adds some sound effects. So So again, the purpose of that lab is to demonstrate how to control the LEDs, how to read the accelerometer, and how to do some simple sound effects. So let's go to the next lab. Not initialize the servo. So in this case, what's happening is I'm putting up a graphic, which is that bubble level, and you can see I'm using the accelerometer to do my bubble level. Just remember to turn off the servo power for that particular lab. And then the next lab, example 4. This one's pretty cool. So here you can see the face of the robot, and as I touch different parts of the face,
hello?
So each different part of the face plays a different sound.
I'm completely operational and all. Please abort and retry.
And the
20 seconds to self-destruct.
The graphic indicates
can serve no purpose anymore.
where I'm touching.
This conversation can.
So as you can see, there's definitely some interesting sound effects available in Robot Vision Toolkit and RobotSee. And then let's go ahead and do example 5. I've created a whole separate document for that. So example 5, we can go there separately, and then here. Here's example 6. So example 6 is showing you Yeah, turn on the power for example 6. And what the robot does basically is dance. And while he's dancing, he's also showing you a vector. Again, using the RobotSee graphics, he's showing you a vector result, a vector of the X and Y channels of the accelerometer. So again, a good example. There's actually a couple of examples in this. To make the robot dance, I use two different techniques. One uses RobotSee constants, and the other one is just a much simpler direct method of controlling. You'll see it in the code. So it provides some different examples of how to do things a little differently in the code. And then, of course, the vector of the XY channels of the accelerometer. Okay, so that's it for those labs and examples. Again, for lab number 5 and example number 5, I wrote a whole blog about it and created a whole separate video about it. So go check that out. Again, you can get more information up at buildsmartrobots.com.